Welcome home. Welcome home.
He is accompanied by Secretary of National Defense, the Honorable Voltaire. Today, as we mark the 25th year
in of this
Of the Holy Spirit.
Prayers of blessing rise. Therefore, bless God, glorify your holy name always. It is time for a better society, and to praise and glorify your holy name.
Yeah. And we saw the panorama.
We honor the site this afternoon.
At this point, may we now call on the Secretary of National Defense, the Honorable
Military action against President
Ramos. Tinawag po tayo younger, matagal tayo umabot ng 30 ayos, swerte na tayo. Pagkatapos itinakot ang nakakanak. At doon po nung pabalik kami, ako'y nag...
We thank our distinguished guests for joining us.
Kababayan, nalugan sa mga labi na ikabang pagsyon. Nagkada si Ricky at inuwa ng mga kotong ginanaro.
Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.